Hello everyone, I am Dattatray Nikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda for new day, new topic. And our today's topic is global power capabilities. We will see the detail gas, renewable power network, coal, advanced coal, nuclear. These are the sources of this power generation. The global electricity generation capacity is expected to almost double in the next 3 decades, surpassing 15 terawatts by 2050. In 2022, the world's installed electricity capacity stood at 8.5 terawatts. Now, for this detail, one can refer to the image below where one can see the power distribution capacities, and those are solar are 10%, wind 0.9%, geothermal is 0.2%, biomass is 4.6%, hydro is 7%, nuclear is 4.8%, oil and other are 15%, then LNG is 30%, and coal is 28%. This is how the distribution is made or shown in this picture so as to have the better understanding on the global power capabilities. So as to understand the present installed capacity, one can refer to the images where one can see in a first image 2019 to 2020 the percentage are 56% is a coal, 7% is a gas, 14% is a hydro, 3% is a bio, 2% is a nuclear, then 10% is a wind, 8% is a solar, whereas the installed capacity expected between 2029 to 2030 is 32% coal, 3% gas, 9% hydro, 1% bio, 2% nuclear, 17% wind, and there will be rise in solar, that is up to 36%. The gross generation is also shown. One can refer to the first image where gross generation between 2019 to 20 is 75% is coal, 3% is a gas, 10% is a hydro, 1% is a bio, 3% is a nuclear, 4% is a wind, and 3% is a solar. Whereas the gross generation expected between 2029 to 30 is 50% coal, 2% gas, 8% hydro, 1% is bio, 4% is nuclear, and 12% is a wind, and there will be a rise into the solar, that is up to 23%. These are the sources of these images or information is the sources from CEJMK research. With this, we are concluding on our today's topic. Thanks for watching our channel eFunda, where you will get to know the fundamentals. So that is our tagline, get your fundamentals right, where we do identify the needs, then we evaluate the need, then define plan for particular need, and then accordingly execute the plan. This is what we are creating our technical videos so that it will help every individual to get their fundamentals right. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Also, you can follow us on our Instagram page and do follow our Facebook page as well. So keep watching our channel eFunda for new day, new topic.